IDT's SDA-WIR demonstration kits highlight IDT's 6-low-pan ZWIR4512 low-power wireless module. The ZWIR4512 enables secure low-power wireless IPv6 communication for sensors and small devices, and IDT offers a royalty-free 6-low-pan stack with mesh routing capability. The kit includes a 6-low-pan Wi-Fi hub based on a Raspberry Pi Zero W and a ZWIR4512 module, and a sensor cube that includes IDT's HS3001 humidity sensor, FS2012 flow sensor, and another ZWIR4512 6-low-pan module with preloaded firmware for the hub and cube. The sensor cube sends sensor data to the hub. The hub can act as an access point for viewing the data or join another network as a client to access the data or upload it to cloud services, with pre-installed support available for Amazon Web Services.